toilet.
Is Eddie here?
Yeah, who's asking?
It's Andy.
Alright, come in.
So why are you here?
I just heard you have what I need.
And what is that? Oh, so you thought I was just gonna hand it over to you?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for wasting my goddamn time? I could be watching Narcos.
Look, Santiago promised.
Oh, so Santiago sent you here.
He told me that he uses.
Santiago uses it for sure. Did he tell you that he fucked me? He fucked me over real good. While he was on it.
Look, I'm not Santiago.
How could I trust you?
Look, I just need a distressor.
I want to de-stress.
What'd I do?
When do I get to de-stress?
Look, I only needed this one time.
Who's to say you won't fuck me over? And tell everyone.
You've been watching way too much Narcos.
That's what Santiago said too.
Look, don't be like that, man. I brought all of this paper.
Don't man me, bruh. Get in line like everybody else, man.
Let's not get crazy, man. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, what makes you so special, huh? Everybody uses it on the daily. Uncle Benicio uses it. Santiago uses it. My goddamn mama uses it.
Not familiar?
Don't do that, man.
Remember when we were kids and we saw that red scooter at the red stop sign with the red wheels at the red parking zone? Every kid on the block wanted it. And you told me not to share it with anyone else. And I didn't! So much for familia.
Come on, man. Oh shit! Hermano! You good?
We grew up on 6th Street together. You came to my house for my wife. You fucked my mom on my couch. What the fuck do you think you are?
Alright. I'll give you the damn Netflix password. Damn, don't have to be all sentimental and shit.
Thank you, old boy.
It's pancake mix, and that's it.
And my nieces would love the password to Disney Plus.